Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel AZ Education Adda. In this lecture we will discuss one important problem of mathematics. Before starting the discussion, I would like to tell you if you want to get more important problems, you can visit our website which is education-adda.com. Link of the website is also available in the description box of the video. So how you can get the questions on our website? See, you need to visit education-adda.com, then go to menu option and select academics adda. In academics adda, you need to select math important questions. Okay, friends. One more thing, all these important questions are available in the form of video lectures on our YouTube channel, and the playlist is titled as Math Important Questions. Okay, friends. Coming back to the given problem, see what is given here. Radius of a circle is, we need to find the radius of a circle with a given central angle, okay, and given arc length. So there are two parts of the question. In the first question, central angle is given in radian and length of arc is given in centimeter, and we need to find the radius of the circle in centimeter. In the second part of the question, central angle is given in degrees and length of arc is given in miles, and we need to find the radius of the circle in miles. Okay, so one by one we will discuss. See, we know that if suppose this is your circle of radius r and theta is a central angle and theta is in radian, okay, and this is your arc length from here to, from this point to this point, okay, on the perimeter of the circle. So this is the arc length denoted by s. So we know that in a circle of radius r, the length of arc when the angle subtended by the arc at the center is theta radian, then length of arc is given as s equal to r times theta. Here you must convert theta to radian if it is given in degrees. Okay, so theta must be in terms of radian only. Okay, so in part A, theta is given in radian only, that is central angle theta equal to 5 radians, and arc length is equal to s, which is equal to 50 centimeter. So as we know that arc length will be equal to r times theta. R is the radius and theta is the central angle. As s is given and theta is given, so we need to find r, therefore we can write r equal to s by theta. So substituting the given values of s and theta, s is 50 centimeter and theta is 5 radian, so r can be calculated as 50 by 5, which is equal to 10 centimeter. Hence required radius is 10 centimeter. In part B, central angle theta is given as 242 degree, but we know that theta must be in radian. So first we will convert 242 degree in terms of radian, and we know that pi radian is equal to 180 degree. So we will multiply by pi and divide by 180 to convert the given angle in radian. Okay. So theta can be calculated as 242 into pi by 180, and value of pi we know as 3.1416. Okay, this is the approximate value, and so theta we will get as theta equal to 4.2237 radians. Arc length is given as equal to 20 miles. So substituting the value of theta and s, because s equal to r theta, therefore r will be equal to s by theta. So substituting s equal to 20 miles and theta equal to 4.2237 radian. So we will get radius of the circle as 4.735 miles. Hence the required radius is 4.735 miles. Okay friends. So in this lecture we have discussed one important problem of mathematics. Okay, thank you.